Hi, Github Code is here back again, and today we are going to discuss about how you can read videos and display frames from videos as a movie application where you can display videos, stuff like that. So in the previous episode we did an display from video source, video camera. So I'll create another script. So this script is read camera, and I'm going to create another one, and I call this read video. I'll let this script same as the previous script, with the difference that right now I'm going to read from video instead of camera source. So I'm going to read frame by frame from a video, then I want to display that to a window to see the video. It's really simple. So I'll use image show, and also I read frames. So the only thing that I'm going to change is, and we won't have like 0 1, we won't have numbers, we'll have a location from where we'll get and display a video. So 4K downloader, and we have the deb, nice, and we'll install this. It's a really simple tool, and using this tool you can download content from YouTube as we have here. Okay, I'm installing this application. Now let's find a video. 80 clips. This one is the video. It's a really nice video, guys. You see? Now I'm going to copy this link, and let me see if 4K video is installed. I accept. Now we have the 4K video here. I'm going to paste the link which I copied. Now I'm downloading this video. So we have a video. First step, this is the first step, we need to download the video. Second step, we need to have the script, only the source. We can even type here source, and we can give here a path, then we can send the source or source path. It doesn't matter how we type this, but we'll have something like this. So we have the video. Let's download it on its maximum. Right here we have the location, so home dream videos. I'm going to copy this location from here, so I'm downloading to this location. Then into my script I'll insert with shift insert. I'm using shift key plus insert to paste. So I'll insert the clip showing folder, F2, and is MP4. Yeah, it's exactly like that with space. So we have the video, we have the path. You can also get the path using the right click properties, and right here you have like the path home. And if you are going to drag this, you'll have the full path, and you can copy this with the name. So if we are going to run this, so Python 3 read video. Actually I should move this script into Python basics. I should go into Python basics because there is my repo. I should clear this. So Python 3 read video .py, and nothing happened because I haven't saved this script. Control S. Now recompile this. And as you can see, we have the video displayed, but we don't have any audio, so you only have the video displayed. So how can we actually display audio, or how can we change the resolution? So if you want to change the resolution, if I'm pressing Q here, HD resolutions, let's see. Let's try this one. Resize, and this function expects a source, so we're going to resize the frame as two values, 720 then 480. So we are going to resize the frame, so we are getting the source as it is. I don't really care, but before displaying the frame, so we are going to resize it. So we have here a good resolution. Let's see this one, for instance, and let's see what's happening right now. Okay, I think we should do something like this here. I'm not really sure. Let's say this. It should work right now. And as you can see, we have the clip, but it's resized, so we should resize it. I think the video capture can't get the frame already resized, so that's why we need to resize it. And another thing which I want to do is to also display the audio. So yeah, Dream. Let's go in our Python work, and actually let's try to open a terminal right here to make sure. Yeah, we have the same problem. So in order to fix this problem, we should go into our GitHub. So this one is my GitHub, and I should reclone it. I'm going to delete this. Then I'm going to open the terminal here and git clone. I'll reclone back the repo, then I'll move this into my repo. So okay, yeah, and we have only the read video, so git add, then git added read video, then I'm going to pull then git push master. Oops. So right now I'm pushing everything, but then I'll let you into the description the repo. Okay, so we have the repo. You can look on the read videos to see the application. If you want to change the resolution of display video, you can change here the resolution. So as you can see, we have read camera and read video. So you'll have this one, you'll have access to this code if you want to try it. So yeah, this was all. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that bloody like button for this video. It's very simple. You only have to change the source path, then you'll have to resize the frame, because as you saw, you need to display it to a little frame. And also you can try different resolutions, so that's why I access this website here. Have a nice day, my friends.